Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Paul Radio Man 2094 here, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Skullcandy JIB-XT wireless earbuds. Now, I can pick these up at Walmart or Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The prices, I got these for 16 bucks, but it might be different where you live or different on different stores or different prices. You know what I mean, though. Alright, let's go through all the features on the back of the box. Alright, so here it is. Skullcandy JIB-XT wireless earbuds. And of course, you know the model. Wireless Simplicity. I got tongue-tied right there, but you know what I mean. Of course, these are Bluetooth wireless technology. I think these are Bluetooth 5.0, but I'll make sure though. Up to 6 hours worth of battery. Splash resistant. I don't know what's wrong with me today, but anyways. Call, track, and volume control. Alright, and then let's take a look at the back. It says, move freely. Listen wirelessly up to 33 feet away from your paired device. Using Bluetooth wireless technology, lasting comfort and design, convenient controls, manage calls, change tracks, and adjust volume without having to reach for your device to the inline microphone and remote. Signature soundtrack, custom tuned audio let me read that again. Signature soundtrack, custom tuned audio. Drivers deliver powerful audio throughout your day. And a noise isolating fit blocks out distractions. Okay, and then let's see what it comes with. It says contents, earbuds, ear gel, small, medium, large. Okay, and stability gels. Small and large, those are your wingtips. Mark your USB to USB charging cable, user, and to your warranty guide. So these look pretty good. So let's unbox these and see what they are. Let's see what kind of knife I have. Of course, I got my usual. Alright, here we go. Opening this. Or I could open it up from right here. Fuck it, might as well. Matter of fact, yeah, I'll just open it up from the back. Why not? Okay, Skullcandy JIB-XT. In case if I said JBL, my bad. Alright, let's pull these out. See what they are. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box. Okay, so these are going to be your earbuds. Let's take these out nice and gently. Nice and gentle, nice and easy. You know what I mean. Alright. Pop these out. Okay. I'm already liking the look though, guys, on these earbuds. Okay. Package is fucking trolling me today, guys. Package is fucking trolling me. Okay. And okay, so here's the earbuds. Pretty dope looking. These come in different colors too, guys. Just a reminder. I'll leave the colors up in the description. Excuse me. Alright, so here's, okay, volume up and down, probably to change tracks, but I'll have to look at the owner's manual. Okay, so here's your left branding, and then your right. Here it is. Left and right branding. And then here's your wings and stuff, and then your ear tips. And then this part will go around your neck, of course. Alright, let's see what else is in the box real quick. Put these to the side. Alright, so let's see. You got your different size ear tips. You got your micro USB charging cable. You got your wings, earbuds, or ear tips. Pardon me. And then you got your clip in here. Well, I'll take a look at that here in a second. And of course, your user guide, aka usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Now let's power these up, see if we got any juice. See where you power these at. Okay. Okay, power on. And it's pairing. Alright, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to grab my phone. And then we'll do a sound test. Be right back. Alright, y'all. So we back in. Now for the pairing process. Turn these on. And then they'll automatically be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu. And select the JIB-XTs. Alright, just a quick reminder, this is going to be how they look in your ears. You see, this part will go around your neck, and then zoom in. That's how it's going to be. But you got to keep that wing still, though. Alright, let's do a sound test. Alright, y'all, so we back in, so let's do a sound test. I got NWA Boys in the Hood queued up. And I got it on max volume, so alright, let's do it. One tap, play and pause. See how they sound. In my 6-4. Freaks, smacking the dough. Went to the park to get to school. Knuckleheads out there, cause shooting some hoops. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's all about making that GTA. Because the boys in the hood are always hard. You know, talking that trash, they pull your car. Woo-hoo-hoo! Booyah. Alright, one tap, play and pause. One tap, play and pause. Yo. For 16 bucks, these sound amazing. Nice mids and highs. Alright, let me get a quick wipe down, y'all. Excuse me. Fucking hate wearing earbuds sometimes because of this shit. But it is what it is. Alright, I'm going to pause the video real quick. Alright, my bad, y'all. I just had to wipe them down real quick. But here they are. But these sound fucking great. For 16 bucks... these might be the new champs. Alright, let's do some more testing. Alright, let's do the reconnection test. Let's turn these off. Okay, so disconnected from Bluetooth. Alright, let's power these back on. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. 4 1000, 4 1000s. That's definitely pretty well. Alright, let's do the rest of our testing. Alright, y'all, so we back in. Because I had them set on DTSX 3D sound. They sound pretty good with DTSX. But let's try it without DTSX real quick. Just see how they sound. Alright, one tap, play and pause. Okay. They sound pretty good. Let's go! Woo! Booyah! Booyah! Alright, we got a new champ in the building, y'all. Alright. Okay. Let's just wait for this real quick. Booyah! Woo! Okay, one tap playing pause. One tap playing pause. Okay. I would recommend if you don't use DTSX 3D sound, because these sound pretty good without DTSX. They sound even better. With the DTSX, you're losing a little bit of volume, of course. That would be my recommendation, but that'll be up to you guys. But alright, let's do the range test. Alright, let's do the range test. These go up to 33 feet, but we'll do 40 just to be on the safe side. So here we go. Let's play the music. Get out of here a little bit. Alright, let's play the music and let's start walking. Okay. "33 feet! "40 feet! Now I'm walking back. Okay. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. 30, it goes up to 40 feet. These are pretty good. Alright, let's do the rest of our testing. Alright, let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is when you're watching a video or TV show or movie, if there's any delay on the person's lips through what you hear. So let's play the clip from Dude Where's My Car. And I have my right earbud by the mic. I'm going to tell you all the truth. So let's play. Hold up just a second. I hate doing this shit. Alright, let's play the video. Let's just play it on the phone. Why not? Here it is. Let's get full screen real quick. Okay, loud volume. Just to be on the safe side, let's check this volume. Alright, literally no lag. Literally no lag when you're watching YouTube. Alright, I want to do one more thing real quick. Alright, be right back. Alright, so I got an episode of the Mandalorian queued up on Disney Plus. So let's check that.
This is extremely generous. The excess will sponsor many foundlings.
That's good. Okay, there's no lag when you're watching a video.
I know.
Alright, one more thing I want to do. Alright, so I'm going to compare these to my main ones that I got. I got my JBL Tune 500 BTs, and then I got my JLab JBuds Air. I'm going to test out the sound on all three, and I'll let you know how they sound. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I've tested these out, all three back to back, same song. So the number ones, so here's where I'm going to rank them at. Alright, so the number ones will go to the JBL Tune 500 BTs. And then the number twos will go to the JLab JBuds Air. And then number three will go towards the Skullcandy JIB XT Wireless. Alright, let's wrap these up. Or let's wrap them up. Let's wrap this up. I got tongue-tied right there. But let's wrap this up, y'all. Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Skullcandy JIB XT wireless earbuds an A+. These sound pretty great. The only complaint I do have with these, the battery life is 6 hours, but I'm not going to complain there for $16. These are still pretty great. And then they're water resistant too, so these are still pretty good. Alright, let's wrap this up. Anyways, guys, on that note, you guys have a good day, good night, wherever you're at. I'm Paul Radio Man 2094. Of course, signing off. Y'all have a good day, good night, wherever you're at. Follow me or add me on Facebook, Paul Lyons. And then I'm on Instagram. I'm Radio Man 2094. And then Snapchat is Paul Lyons 20941. And then my TikTok is PL2094 or Radio Man 2094, wherever you want to put it. But anyways, guys, on that note, you guys have a good day, good night, wherever you're at. I'm Paul Radio Man 2094. Signing off. You guys have a good day, good night, wherever you're at. Alright, take care. I'm out.